Hey Glue Army, welcome back to another tutorial. Want these smooth zooms on Capcut?
I will never work for you again. We are done. And if you ever come near my family again, I will kill you.
Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do these zooms on Capcut. Before we get started, I want to thank you all for all the support I'm getting on this channel. It's all appreciated. Remember to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more awesome tutorials. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.